The directors Johannes Ishen, Sheila Ishen, and Kobna Edu Jemfi. The three directors. Yet check here, you say Johannes Ishen and Sheila Ishen, Omawari, it is a couple, and Johannes Ishen, a reverend minister. And I discover later, say, as we did more digging, say, the only business our company a crèche kindergarten with the winner.
But the young woman so to evidence for their bringing so still the National Cathedral board members as a bar and defamation and the years was happening to and illegal. Seriously. Oh, Ghana. Ebusianfo me mamo akwaba edeba Xposed so unia be malimo elikem kwame amega na mede ensembi ebro esima mede bro no efa Ghana National Cathedral na akufo ato se osi e de ahye onyankopon animonyam ohwe the struggle wa film ene nyoma wa film odi abedi president ofile se osi National Cathedral enfama Ghana for nensan hye nyankopon animonyam na sa National Cathedral na enserve as a tourist place. Now board members said that's no unim say ye wo asofo enimpon a omote Ghana ti asori akese anu a ye do my board members omote sorry sikano ye den and omo ye cast board member omo no hwe the running affairs any sika food we be ba a ye de be si asori dan no anu now we na dan no na osofo nimpon o kan ye Reverend Kusi Boateng me bodi na wankasa munim. Now Rev Kusi Boateng na de abeto odwane kire se okujato Ablakwa abemeki statement na claims bi mu se omo te parliament na omo ka se yes submitted document na papers a efa National Cathedral no embeto parliament ni yenhwe se ne efa wa National Cathedral na de eko no omo hwemu an omo one particular document a efa le se ya send sika de akọ one company ya ko check company na sa ana a crèche company. Now crèche company no it goes in the name of someone. It investigation no mukoye no sana edina e claim say yadi akoma sa company na edin agi saske 2.6 million Ghana cedi. Ni ye ko hwe sa na edi Kwabna Edu Jemfi. Kwabna Edu Jemfi, it happens to be Reverend Kusi Boateng the small pastor tini ni other branch then and it's your friend ka say ebanse na scale di wonche ni ade omo investigation no ma say no sike kwan e fa so ekodi wo no enye mra kwan so na efa wo no mo sa hwehwe mu kohwe ye no na edin a ye friend Edu Jemfi sana enye Reverend Kusi Boateng ni assistant pastor yi ni real name Reverend Kusi Boateng ni other name o sekita won a national ID in a certain passport mu Rev Kusi Boateng or two passports or two ID cards referring these both names and even passport odi took tin number ikra ya ye say Ghana tin number no e was say wunya baako wunya tin number baako but Rev Kusi Boateng or tin number mienu enti aye munya ama okujato Ablakwa say ono de obayere no akoshraj akoma report but eneno ye ma interview okujato on one station a wokasa ma yen kohwe ensem okujato ekan ye ntiti onankasa nenu nsem.
The directors Johannes Ishen, Sheila Ishen, and Kobna Edu Jemfi. The three directors. Yet check here, you say Johannes Ishen and Sheila Ishen no. Omawari it is a couple and Johannes Ishen a reverend minister and I discover later say as we did more digging say the only business our company no a crèche kindergarten with the winner. That's the only omunya construction. Omunya architects. Crèche, a kindergarten school. Wodowenya.
And the 2.6
million. Enti me who sana because na church there with this collide cathedral yes church abemu na enkola no omo be ye den wo cathedral ho. You know, this is unbelievable. Enti they can say this thing must be looked into further. Enti me frère me who number na 020 number. Sa number na ewo incorporation document, no one a cathedral document, and no one a website of the crèche. Crèche na what Dowenya on Facebook page. Yes, Dowenya before Pram. You call Ablakwa Some George. Yeah.
You know, cathedral na yesi.
Community 25.
Cathedral na yesi wo Parliament House in China.
Yeah.
Say nya crèche wo. Akufare ko we are real. Can you for that? You go to us.
Enti me friend number no and Madam Sheila Opek here. And because me documents be about Parliament na ya bomudin say moi receive 2.6 million. And no cause honorable we there assembly so enti ne kro MD we took coin oba me ma 2 weeks.
Ne kro na Reverend Minister.
Yeah, enti
and so for so
to 2 weeks time.
And
more digging. And you say, oh, okay, this Reverend Johannization or a branch pastor of Reverend Victor Kusi Boateng. Or the secretary to the board of trustees, or also a board of trustees, or a member and secretary. Until you say, this is potential conflict of interest. Then, of course, until Oko Reverend Johannization, the Facebook page, or say Reverend Kusi Boateng, the spiritual father or friend of Papa, Daddy, Bibia, about until you say, what's going on here? Until when we were convinced, look, this is serious because we share incorporation documents, you know. Omo nkasa akase omo sika, omo stated capital, sika omo contribute, you know. Benman nene yere 250 500 cities. The stated capital is 500. It's just a small business. This is just a small business. Stated capital. Stated capital of 500 cities. Banisena, they are paid 2.6 million. National Cathedral. What is the role? I asked questions in the statement. Say, because we've gone through all the documents of Modiba Parliament. Yehu contract, yehu agreement, yehu any justification for this 2.6 million. It's really mind-boggling. Your issue statement, no, asking questions, and then showing the linkage between Reverend Kusi Boateng and Johannization and this JNS or more pretty crèche Wodowenya.
In the name of National Cathedral.
You don't believe it, Minia. Made it to journal, and the MPP propagandists, they're all over the place. Say, oh, it's a loan. Now JNS company, we know, Omuma National Cathedral Secretariat Busia. Now secretariat for Mohua Chiromo, and they needed to pay contractors. Omuko JNS, Omuko Dowenya, Echo Bisa Crèche one who say Mumba boy. I mean, I'm controlling myself honestly because it's so ridiculous. And a crèche for now almost was a capa. Even those almost stated capital, yeah, 500 cities. Almost to me, and 2.6 million cities. Almost to me, and 2.6 million. Edema, MPP for a circulative, maybe almost say request for loan. But they almost say they are smart. Ghanaians are not descending. Now, if it's a loan,
na wo hwe by video ya okujato Ablakwa kase ya anhwe wa no so kase no even though esika na ya transfer illegally ya ko baby fufuro enu kra yen fancy nchen Rev Kusi Boateng ankasa, he needs to be questioned. How can he has 2 names, 2 passports, 2 tin numbers? What is he doing? Like, and you ma ben na why was someone say because recently we 2 coin crowd, we 2 coin Togo. What this Rev Kusi Boateng 2 coin. And what's that baby fufu so or the kwabna edu jemfini so 2 coin. And then na wo power ben na wo to me bury 2 names. Iti Okuja to say no. This man I was so called reporting in my charge. Na embra ewo Ghana no ema ni be yi na no ewo nyoma wa ye ewo Ghana. Na when Okuja to dia beto no e na ma me pese me chete nsem ni mu kakra na wo say ye ni problem but hwe ye be National Cathedral Ghana for e ka say National Cathedral ni enye say ye against God ana ye kaseti onyankopon there be but enye mra e was see National Cathedral asofo bi mu sori e kase National Cathedral no ebe hye nyame animonyam because ye wa ha and Muslims ye see one of the biggest mosques e dia momo e wo Nima and e bi mu kra be ba bonte say National Mosque na ye see wo homaye no take for kra so ya se and ye see sa National Mosque no na Ghana han ye fa Ghana sekeni na puduo ene ye di ba besi ye friend is saying National Cathedral ene ye di asofo a ye nimu say ye ji omu di omu ye nyame adwuma yie ene ade ato ano no se sika efa echire ekọ bebia enwo se ekọ a na sana asofo e den no mo pese omo ka kire so we all decided not to meddle ourselves into this issue but looking at the thing no sika na akwampa na sika na akono eyi National Cathedral board for members no so dia beto online abekire say I say sika na ekọ no eye payment bi a omu tua dia ma sa company no because omu de some your friend is saying contractors for bika na ye kohwe company enye contractor for company eye crutch obi na ati ne crutch wo baby ene edi ne dia be hye o na nso ye nya wo de hwe ye de picture yi eto a obehu se picture ye de ato yi eye crutch statement a National Cathedral for the abeto abontin e kire se sika na ye de tuma JNC enye legal payment na omo ye one of the contractors a ye tu omo because ye de omo ka but Okuja to Ablakwa mo se nye propaganda no so ya omo si by parliament research omo ye kohwe mu no ya kohwe sa company no enye crutch ene no so omi ba Ghana for ye meka nkire edo jemfidin a Rev Kusi Boateng enimu daso no eno so enye Rev Kusi Boateng ana ya forge ni din no ade na ye yesa iti krono ni katahihye akoso wo man we mu sa to the extent say ye di asofo ni empemfo ye buomu onyame mu mpo atoade anu a omu kura fa koti kwan so di yesika. Oh, what are we talking about? Ade na ye di ade we aya agro die ade na ye di nyame din di agro ene ye di nyame din bokro no me no wa ha na ompanyi akufo de beka say kwanse fasubiano cathedral no yebesi senye sikedie ne wo cathedral in one denti na cathedral Ghana fo esu kase enya afa na wo si cathedral senye sikedie ne wo mu a ade na still ye insist say chinchine wo si cathedral and now when na onyankopon na pom so ntoma but me I am making this statement says obi edi sika ye don form na so onyankopon di a ya fon wa yesebe ye di sika woni pe biara wo kan National Cathedral woni mu bibibi a we di Ghana sika no onyankopon obo soro ni asase enemi limo eliken kwame ameka me say onyankopon etu omoka se wo yesofo because Bible me brebi Ananias ne yere be eko wie sika onyankopon tua omuka etu oni pe bia wo ti onu di o si asole dan amaye akosom nyame nso wo fa wo di akoni kotoko ma media onyankopon tua omuka. May God punish them because we eyemobo it shows the National Cathedral po And I saw from Poya Dioma 20 minutes. Now, how much more? The question is that how much more the minister who is a great minister, the one who is a finance minister, and the one who is a road minister, say National Cathedral Ponia who says Sika for baby. And they should tell you, say the people who claim they are not even men of God, but they are working for the country, almost no, almost swear. So whatever claims Ghanaians have been making, we don't have evidence about this finance minister, health minister, whatever minister is in Ghana, you making claims say they are doing corruption. It is being bluntly said, it is true. But Amre wo Ghana and Amre wo we are say you can prove somebody wrong until you have evidence. But the aim of one is okuja to evidence what they are bringing so still ye National Cathedral board members as a babonti kase and defamation and ye real so as a payment to me and illegal. Like seriously. Oh Ghana. Where sa to ya dream say the sister say emre bi anka twam e wo man we mu. One say ye as politics obi ti say na Ghc From Bedukobi, any Reverend Kusi Boateng, omudi depending on political party, omudi omechi, omuye politics more we. Niger Ghc di onim say MPP ba oni ho. Ba NDC ba onim say ho. San Kusi Boateng NDC ba onim say oni ho. Omudi omeyi omo stand. But won say asofo na, omudi omaye omo ti say omo support political parties no. It is not because they don't want to indulge into politics so. And then me na make cathedral said they don't want to indulge because say omo indulge omo chire e criticizing government na sike bi ba ye for mu kom ye national meetings near the idea ye mfasa so for ne mba into they have keep shattered now so emre bi wo bible mu kan ye no asofo ne edi for there it was their job to question anything that goes against the nation and the people or the ordinary people in the country. They question those people. And maybe I interview Reverend Senior Anthony Paul Ayenkai. Reverend Anthony Senior Anthony Ayenkai. That Emmanuel Salvation Church and me here interview. I'll make a statement say every also for Paul more amwakuma mo twem na me from Ukraine. They goes to JJ to question him. When he does something wrong, munya kukudu ko kachen say na why but and then one mun because someone yes no mun yes sika mo ma sole anu harvest ni nyoma o mun yes sika they have keep shut. It all actually bu na pastor so onya politics because the ministers and the people in power, no, they will steal money and come and give to them for them to pray for them. Because me ma kwa soli ame, also for me to me catch them and say, ministers are no more but and permit 20 and the triviate and yaba, you come and meet them in the night. It's how can this man of God criticize these people? Because when he criticizes them, they give that much money. And your members need 2 cedi, no, and a more motoka. It is these ministers. Bompa ema minami konya seat way. So konya seat na no we sika e dia koto car masa software we. That is what is going on. Well, me Jina Sunka say whatever has happened, you say. But with everything that has been provided, say Ukrainian Ukro, there is surely more to this issue. If you are more board members at the end, no. Ebia Rev Kusi Boateng a victim. But the question here is the people who are even the board of members, no, sika from same. Sika a from same. But Rebecca say, do you have evidence? Ebusian for aha, and I'm a demo, ebesi, me a mediju medie ebro. Within the limo, Elikem Kwame Amega, should I also watching? They say Sebi, a soft one and Kasa, I yedi adiashom sample. And I said, Sikafa baby. Because me no anka Sikafa baby na ye need evidence about company na. They have provided evidence to him say, sa company na ye say a construction. They are not construction company. And you'll be great a shape grassy baby. Meaning this town areas are and buy a crack. And you can't hear me one. But you know grandma have been defending. The propaganda in Ghana and Africa is too much. Ebe ye no na che me a mede dwumadi ebro mede ne limo elikem kwame amega obetimi afrɛ me efokent aha ɛna mede mu ebesi dasende ebesi hia makram bye bye.